The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Fried fish with lemongrass, or Cá Chiên Sả, is one of the simplest and most beloved ways to prepare fish in everyday Vietnamese home cooking. Zesty lemongrass cooked with garlic and fresh chilies makes an appetizing complement to freshly pan-fried fish. The marinade, a vibrant mixture of lemongrass, garlic, chilies, fish sauce, sugar, black pepper, and a touch of curry or turmeric powder, perfumes the fish and creates a deeply golden, crispy crust when fried. It is delicious served immediately with steamed rice. Main ingredients: fresh whole fish or fillets, such as red snapper or sea bass, 1½ pounds, oil, 5 tablespoons, sprigs of coriander leaves to garnish, as desired, marinade, lemongrass, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part minced, 2 stalks. Garlic, minced, 3 cloves, finger-length chilies, deseeded and minced, 2, fish sauce, 2 tablespoons, sugar, 1 teaspoon, freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, curry or turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Clean and score the fish. If using whole fish, clean and scale the fish thoroughly. Score each side diagonally several times with a sharp knife. This allows the marinade to penetrate deep into the flesh and helps the fish cook evenly. Pat the fish completely dry with paper towels and set aside. Step 2. Prepare the marinade. Combine all the marinade ingredients in a bowl: minced lemongrass, minced garlic, deseeded and minced chilies, fish sauce, sugar, freshly ground black pepper, and curry or turmeric powder. Mix well until the spices and aromatics are fully incorporated into a fragrant paste. Step 3. Marinate the fish. Pour the marinade over the prepared fish and coat it evenly, making sure to rub the mixture into the diagonal score cuts and inside the cavity if using whole fish. Allow the fish to marinate for at least 1 hour so the lemongrass and chili flavors fully infuse the flesh. Cooking steps. Step 1. Heat oil and pan fry. Heat the 5 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large skillet over medium heat until hot. Carefully place the marinated fish into the hot oil. The medium heat ensures the lemongrass and garlic in the marinade toast to a fragrant golden brown rather than burning. Step 2. Fry until crispy and golden. Pan fry the marinated fish for about 7 minutes on each side until the skin is crispy and the flesh turns a deep golden brown. The curry or turmeric in the marinade gives the fish its characteristic vibrant color. Turn carefully to keep the fish whole. Adjust the heat as needed. Cooking on the lower side of medium prevents the aromatics from scorching while still achieving a crisp crust. Step 3. Drain and garnish. Remove the fish from the oil and drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. Transfer to a serving platter, garnish with fresh coriander sprigs, and serve immediately with steamed rice.